Hello, keto enthusiasts. Welcome to our video. Today, we're about to embark on a flavorful journey into the world of keto ground turkey recipes that are as delicious as they are healthy. Let's dive into the video. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 lb ground turkey, 2 cups mixed low-carb vegetables, RNG broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons soy sauce or tamari for gluten-free, 1 teaspoon ginger minced, salt and pepper to taste, red pepper flakes optional for extra heat, fresh cilantro or green onions for garnish. In a large skillet, heat the sesame oil over medium-high heat. Add ground turkey and cook until it begins to brown. Add minced garlic and ginger to the turkey and cook for another 2 minutes. Stir in the mixed vegetables and cook until they are tender crisp. Add soy sauce, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes if using, and cook for an additional 2-3 minutes. Garnish with fresh cilantro or green onions before serving. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.